In this video, I'll show you how to make an Edu email. It's going to be a tutorial video. This video is really for educational purposes, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, what you need to do, open up your browser. If you're on your iPhone, if you're on your laptop, just any browser you're using, just open it up. What you need to do, okay, I'm going to open mine now. So you need to come on here and type in new email. So click on go. So this is going to load up. So the very first one, right? So click on it. So the very first one, you can be able to see it's new. Okay, you can be able to create a business email with domain for small businesses. So business email account. So you can see it. So you can be able to create your own Edu email from this. So what you need to do now, just click on start with email. So you can see it right here. So you're going to click on it. So you're going to be able to come on and just wait for it to load up. So you can be able to see us now. So just click on this. I will scroll down. Okay, so let me say, for example, I want to create, let me say, something like, let me say, James tutorial. I'll click on search. So let me see. Okay, so you can see it, jamestutorial.co. So you can still go back. So you can see there's a whole lot of options for you here. So click on this. So I think if you don't have accounts here, I think you can be able to, yeah, I'll just try and navigate it. So I think I'll try this. Okay, so you can see get business email. So all this here is in this site. So if you come on here, you can be able to come on here and check the one you want, right? So I think I'll just check again. Let me see how to edu. Let me know. Click on search. So yeah, I think it's currently available. So you can just navigate all this, right? You can just navigate it and check the one you want. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.